Welcome back. Strong monsoon conditions continue across India with the IMD issuing various alerts for affected regions. Rajasthan has been experiencing heavy rainfall for several days, causing railway tracks and roads to be submerged. Many rivers in the state are in spate, leading to school closures in districts like Jaisalmer due to potential flooding and an increased risk to life. The IMD has issued an orange alert for Nagaur, Pali, Ajmer and Churu amid warning of heavy rainfall in these areas. The authorities have advised people living in low-lying regions to stay vigilant. And additionally, heavy rainfall is expected to persist in Ajmer and Jodhpur today itself. Now, this is what the alert is when it comes to the state of Rajasthan, where the IMD has issued an alert for heavy rainfall. This is going to continue over the next few days, but you can see on your screens what the aftermath of rainfall in Jodhpur has been. Now, when it comes to the roads and traffic which has been impacted, there are traffic advisories that have been issued. It's best to check with the police at this point to see what exactly is recommended if you do plan to step out today, but caution has been advised for those who are heading out. Now, many rivers in the state are in spate. This has led to school closures in multiple districts, such as Jaisalmer, because of potential flooding and an increased risk to life. Now, the IMD has issued an orange alert for various parts that includes Pali, Ajmer and Churu. There is a warning for heavy rainfall in these particular areas. But we are crossing over to my colleague Pushpender to get us more details. Pushpender, what is the exact situation on the ground in Rajasthan? We've been able to go through a few of the areas that are on alert, but tell us more about the advisories that have been issued as well.
देखिए, मौसम विभाग की तरफ से एडवाइजरी जारी की गई है और उसमें कहा गया है कि अभी आने वाले 3 से 4 दिन राजस्थान में बारिश और अलग में बढ़ सकती है। फिलहाल मैं हाल ही में मौजूद हूँ राजस्थान के पाली इलाके में। तस्वीरें इस तरह की हैं कि वहाँ पूरा पाली जो है जलमग्न हो गया है। हालात बद से बदतर हो रहे हैं, लोगों का घर से निकलना मुश्किल हो गया है, घरों में कैद होकर लोग रह गए हैं। अभी बारिश ने थोड़ा सा विराम लिया है तो कुछ लोग घर से बाहर निकले हैं अपने दफ्तर जाने के लिए, साथ ही कुछ सामान जो जरूरत का है वो लेने के लिए, क्योंकि 2 दिन से बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे थे। लगभग 17 घंटे लगातार बारिश हुई है। जो कॉलोनी है उसकी सड़कें जो है दरिया बन गई हैं और कई मोहल्ले समंदर में तब्दील हो गए हैं। घरों में पानी घुस गया है, लोग अपने पहले माले पर जाकर बैठ गए। स्थितियां बहुत भयावह होती नजर आ रही हैं, लेकिन प्रशासन कहीं नजर नहीं आता, नहीं तो बंदोबस्त नजर आते हैं। तो 2 ही चीज नजर आती है पाली में, परेशानी और पानी। जी।
All right, Pushpender, thank you so much for joining us, getting us those details. But quickly shifting focus now to some more breaking news that's coming in.